You often use the term time leaks. Could you give us some more details and examples of what that means and how we can get better at identifying and hopefully eliminating them?
Absolutely. I came up with this term because I realized that most people don't lose time in large amounts all at once. So if a client comes up to me and says, "Oh my gosh, I feel like my day is out of control. Where does my time go?" We need to determine exactly that. Where does your time go? And it's not like you lose an hour all at once or 3 hours all at once. For most people, it happens in a few seconds here or a few minutes over there. So it could be that you have a task in front of you that you really don't feel like completing. And so you stare at that computer screen or device or desk for 30 seconds, a minute, and then you get started. That is a time leak. Another type of time leak is if you have so many different competing priorities and you're looking at 3 different display monitors on your desk and you're trying to figure out what you do next. That's another time leak. It might take you a minute or two to figure that out. It could be instantly answering those IMs that pop up on your screen. Each time you look at one of those, you are losing brain restart time from the task you were doing in front of you. That's another leak. So the key is to identify what your leaks are, and that means paying attention to where your time goes. Once you really start focusing in, you come off autopilot and you start paying attention to what you're about to do, it is incredible how many of these time leaks you can identify, and then from there decide which one do you want to plug first. And then once you've plugged that one, you move on to the next and the next and the next.